Supreme Court could overturn Roe v. Wade as soon as tomorrow. Decisions are expected to be handed down Monday and Wednesday this week. Justices have 29 opinions remaining to be delivered in the next month before its traditional summer break. A leaked draft opinion indicates that 5 justices were ready to wipe away the 50-year-old precedent set by Roe v. Wade. If overturned, Wisconsin will be left with an 1849 statute still on the books that could outlaw abortion nationwide and make performing an abortion a felony in Wisconsin. Legislators could repeal or amend the law here. Earlier this afternoon, a pro-choice rally was held in Greenfield. CBS 58's Jenna Wells heard from political figures who attended today's rally. Jenna?
Tashma, with the potential for the Supreme Court to overturn constitutional protections for abortion, a couple dozen activists came together today, raising awareness of the threat to Roe v. Wade and advocating for reproductive rights in our state.
It is crazy to me to think that I might have fewer rights than my grandmother. And we should not be going backwards. We should be going forward.
Passionate words from pro-choice activists in Greenfield Sunday.
Women should decide their fate.
During a rally led by several Milwaukee organizations defending Roe v. Wade and reproductive health care.
We say that overturning Roe is not a big change. It is a big change when we are willing to put doctors in jail. It is a big change when there's no exception for rape or for incest. And it is a big change when we are not allowing women to make these health care decisions. And so we can't take this as this is going to allow us to go on as life as usual. It's going to be a significant change that's going to have adverse effects.
Activists and political leaders spreading their message out in the community with a march down Highway 100.
We want people to know, especially politicians like Ron Johnson, that we're not going to step back and we're not going back to a law in the books from 1849.
The group Protect Women's Rights Milwaukee is hosting rallies in suburban areas to provide education and reach potential voters.
When we're coming to these more red-leaning areas, we have the opportunity to talk to people who may be on the fence about certain issues or maybe don't understand all of the ramifications that will happen if Roe is overturned and how that will affect them directly and try to educate them that it's not just a single issue situation.
Wisconsin Governor Tony Evers has ordered a special legislative session for June 22nd to discuss the state's abortion law. Activists are planning to rally outside the state capitol that day.
I want voters to be watching that because they are a majority. A majority of Wisconsinites do not want Roe overturned. We want to be a welcoming state. That's what we are. Women should have a voice when it comes to their health care decisions, and that's what we're going to continue to fight for.
Now, all 4 GOP primary candidates for Wisconsin governor support banning abortion, even in instances of rape and incest. We'll link a previous article with those statements on our website. In the studio, Jenna Wells, CBS 58 News.